8.5 miles from the eruption, and the orange glow is really filling the sky. Now 7:32, 30 minutes past sunset, so we're getting around the end of civil twilight now. Northbound along the ocean on Hawaii 137, moving closer to the eruption and lava flow area. 137 has become narrow and unstriped now. We are now directly south of the eruption, 3.6 miles. And then the lava flow is heading southeast toward the ocean. So it would be, I think, several more miles up the coast for where it is entering. The bay that has been covered over is 8 miles up the road here, so we'll see how far we can go, and then I have to kind of figure out my strategy once I hit the roadblock for getting out on foot. But now that it's dark, 7:48, we've passed twilight, it's a lot easier to see the eruption, and the lava river should be quite glowing orange as well. Otherwise, it gets down to the sea here, it goes underground, so the best place to see the lava river is really probably the first 2 or 3 miles from the fissure, and then I think once you get down within a half mile, a mile of the sea, it goes underground before hitting the ocean. It's quite remote back in here along the coast on 137, but amazingly there are some homes just past Milepost 16 and no sight of a roadblock yet. I can see the orange sky off to my left. Looks like we're coming upon a road closure sign here. The person in front of me is going to back up. I'm just about up to the Kamali Road junction, which heads inland. Looks like this cut off back to 1. Alright, it's 8:03 now, and I hit the roadblock on Hawaii 137 at Kamaili Road. That's in the village of what is this? Opie something. Opie High Cow. So what I'm going to try to do now is go down. There's a trail marked on my GPS map 1.5 miles down the road here that looks like it goes up uphill. There's also a trail slash road marked here, but that is gated off. It says private drive. So I'm not sure about this next one I'm going to be looking for. But somewhere in here I've got to make a right turn by car or by foot to start getting uphill, and to try and see if I can then work my way east into the lava zone. Right, it's 8:16 p.m. here on desolate Hawaii 137. The sky is pretty clear, lots of stars visible. And if I walk back to the south just a bit over these trees, you can see this amazing orange glow in the sky from where Fissure 8 is erupting. And Fissure 8 is 3.5 miles north-northwest of my location. Now, I found an old forest road or trail that's going to lead up in that direction. So I'm going to take a break here for dinner in the rental SUV that I've parked on the side of 137 here, and then I will start my hike inland and see how close I can get to the lava.